Have you ever taken a trendline trade, got stopped out, and then watched price move exactly where you expected afterward? Or maybe you've seen traders make money with trend lines while your setups keep failing. If that sounds familiar, you are not alone. The truth is, most traders know how to draw trend lines, but very few understand the different ways trend lines can actually be traded. So in this video, I'm going to reveal the exact method I personally use when looking for high probability trend line trade setups. Talking about trend line trading strategies, you can trade it in two ways. The first one is you can trade it as a trend continuation setup, while the second one is you can trade it as a trend reversal setup. Example number one, let's talk about how we can trade the trend line as a trade continuation setup. And for this example, we are going to be using the gold US dollar as an example. Now let's go into the chart and see how to get it done. Here is the chart that we are going to be using for this example. So there are some certain rules I follow before I trade the trend line continuation setup, also known as the trend line bounce. I don't just enter the trade blindly. If you can see, the market has been falling aggressively here. When the market got to this key level, it can no longer break it further down. Instead of it to make a new lower low, for the market to continue dropping. So instead, it make a new higher low, then it broke structure here, then a new higher high, higher low. This is telling us that there is a shift in the market direction, which means it has turned from bearish trend into a bullish trend. So when I see something like this, I have to establish the first low and the second low. Then I will draw my trend line. I will make sure that I didn't cut through the candlestick body, but I can only cut through the candlestick wick. I will not draw my trend line like this, cutting through the candlestick body. This is the normal way I draw my trend line. At this point, let's play the price forward to see what actually happens next. As you can see, it touched it for the third time, but because of this, I will not enter the trade blindly. I will have to wait for some confirmations as well. What I always do is that I love it to fall at the confluence zone, whereby the previous resistance becomes support. I'm going to take my rectangle tool and draw this resistance level. This is the resistance level, which now makes the previous resistance become support. So now let's see what happens next. I will wait for another touch at this previous resistance become support to touch the key level resistance as well as touch this trend line bounce. So making it a form of double bottom for the second time here. So now you can see what happens next. All my confluences are now in place. So my entry is going to be here. Then I'm going to target the next key level here. As you can see, this is a favorable risk to reward trade setup. Let's see if it actually moves in our direction or not. As you can see, the market is moving up. As you can see, the take profit has been smashed. This is how you trade the trend line using continuation entry setup. You know, in trading, nothing works 100% of the time. Now, I've just revealed to you how I personally trade my trend line continuation setup. So let me know how you love to trade trend line. Do you use it for both continuation and reversal setup? Or let me know. Probably you look for confluences before you place either a buy or sell trade, just the way I did in this video. Example number 2, trend line trading as a reversal setup. So likewise, we are going to be using the chart of gold US dollar as an example. I'm going to draw my trend line. Remember how I draw it? So I'm going to draw it from this swing low. Then I'm going to cover this second swing as well. Remember, like I said, I will not draw my trend line like this, whereby it's cut through the candlestick body. I have my first touch here and my second touch here. Clearly, we can see that the market is in an uptrend.
Let's see what happens next. Now, as you can see here, instead of the market to continue pushing to the upside, it has broken this zone here, which could have been the third touch of the trend line. But let's see what happens next. I know some people would have entered the sell setup here, but that's not how I personally trade. As you know, I'm a conservative trader, so I have to be patient. No matter how long it takes, I'll be patient until I have my setup. At this point, I'm going to draw my rectangle tool. You can see I have my double top as well as I have my double bottom here.
This is where the magic happens. Since this consolidation pattern has been broken,
my entry will be here.
What I do is that I always target at least 1:2 risk to reward ratio trade in order to know where your next target level is going to be. You can always locate the next swing level. For this example, my take profit is going to be around this key level. As you can see, this is the point I will exit the market. Remember, trading is all about probability. Nothing works 100% of the time.
I must be honest with you, but you have to do your back testing. Do it multiple times to see if it is actually working for you before you trade it on your real account.
Don't forget to drop your comment in the section below
if this strategy is actually working for you. The ability to wait for your setup no matter how long it takes. That's what gives you an edge in the market. If this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more trading educational videos like this.
Thank you. See you in my next video.